explore the remarkable progress in spying technology, where innovations in surveillance and intelligence gathering redefine the landscape of modern espionage, blending science and secrecy. Advances in spying technology have transformed the field of intelligence gathering, enabling unprecedented capabilities for surveillance, reconnaissance, and information retrieval. In recent years, the convergence of cutting-edge technologies has propelled espionage into realms once reserved for science fiction. From miniature drones equipped with high-resolution cameras to sophisticated cyber tools capable of infiltrating digital networks, the arsenal of spying technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace. One notable area of advancement lies in aerial surveillance systems. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones, have revolutionized reconnaissance missions by offering stealthy and versatile platforms for gathering intelligence. Modern drones are equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and even artificial intelligence algorithms, enabling real-time monitoring of targeted locations without the need for human operatives on the ground. These capabilities have proven invaluable in military operations, border security, and covert intelligence gathering. Moreover, the rise of satellite technology has vastly expanded the reach and scope of espionage activities. State-of-the-art imaging satellites orbiting the Earth can capture detailed photographs of terrestrial landscapes, monitor global communications networks, and track movements of vehicles and vessels in near real time. This wealth of data enhances situational awareness and provides intelligence agencies with critical information for decision-making and strategic planning. In the digital realm, cyberespionage has emerged as a dominant force in modern intelligence operations. Sophisticated hacking tools and malware enable covert access to computer networks, allowing spies to steal sensitive information, manipulate data, or disrupt adversary systems. Cyber operations are conducted with precision and anonymity, leveraging vulnerabilities in software and exploiting human error to gain unauthorized access to secure networks. Advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning have further augmented spying capabilities. AI algorithms can sift through vast volumes of data to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and predict behavior with remarkable accuracy. This analytical power is leveraged in predictive intelligence, social media monitoring, and threat assessment, enabling proactive responses to emerging security challenges. In the realm of human intelligence, wearable technology and covert communication devices have transformed undercover operations. Agents can discreetly gather information in high-risk environments using miniature cameras, audio recorders, and encrypted communication tools concealed in everyday objects. These devices enhance operational security and enable real-time reporting without compromising agent safety. The convergence of biotechnology and espionage has also yielded intriguing possibilities. Advances in DNA analysis and biometric identification enable intelligence agencies to track individuals based on genetic markers or physical characteristics. Facial recognition technology, in particular, has become a powerful tool for identifying targets in crowded environments, providing valuable leads for surveillance and investigation. Ethical considerations surrounding spying technology remain a topic of debate, particularly regarding privacy rights and civil liberties. The widespread adoption of surveillance technologies raises concerns about indiscriminate data collection, mass surveillance, and potential abuses of power by government agencies. Striking a balance between national security imperatives and individual freedoms is essential in navigating the ethical complexities of modern espionage. In conclusion, the evolution of spying technology reflects the relentless pursuit of information dominance in an increasingly interconnected world. As new technologies continue to emerge and converge, intelligence agencies face both unprecedented opportunities and complex challenges in navigating the ethical, legal, and strategic implications of their capabilities. The future of espionage lies at the intersection of innovation and responsibility, where technological prowess must be tempered by ethical considerations to uphold fundamental values in the pursuit of national security.